everybody. My topic is 3D printing. Small introduction about 3D printing. In the 1980s, 3D printing techniques were considered suitable only for the production of functional or synthetic prototype, and a more appropriate terms for at that time was rapid prototyping. As of 2019, the precision, repeatability, and material range 3D printing have increased to the point that some 3D printing processes are considered viable as an industrial production technology. One of the one of the key advantage of 3D printing is ability to produce very complex shape or geometrics that would be otherwise infeasible to construct by hand, including hollow parts with internal structure to reduce weight. Deposition molding, which uses a continuous filament of thermoplastic material in most common 3D printing process in use of 2020. These are the basic introduction about my topic 3D printing. That's it. Thank you.